In today's video, I'm going to teach you how will Google Assistant increase productivity. We'll walk through how Google's AI features inside Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Calendar, Meet, and Drive can remove busy work and help you focus on what matters, plus a simple way to plan your day with AI. Let's start in Gmail. Open your inbox, and if Gemini is enabled, click Help Me Write. Give it a clear prompt like, write a follow-up email to a client who hasn't responded in 3 days. The assistant can draft replies in seconds, summarize long threads so you don't miss context, adjust tone to be formal, friendly, or persuasive, and even surface action items buried in emails. For speed, try asking it to summarize a thread in bullet points. Always add any missing details and review before sending so your message stays accurate and on brand. In Google Docs, use the AI Assist to create content instantly. You can draft blog posts, create standard operating procedures, generate outlines, and rewrite for clarity. For example, ask it to create a step-by-step SOP for onboarding a YouTube client. If the first draft is too generic, tell it your audience, length, and desired tone, then iterate. You'll save hours by letting AI produce the structure while you refine expertise and voice. Over in Google Sheets, the AI can explain and generate formulas, summarize data trends, and highlight anomalies without complex functions. Ask it to analyze your sales data and tell you which month performed best. It works great for tracking affiliate sales, client KPIs, or insurance prospects. For best results, label columns clearly and specify the time frame and goal you care about. In Google Calendar, AI can suggest meeting times, detect conflicts, auto-generate event descriptions, and even produce meeting summaries after the fact. Try asking it to schedule 3 focus blocks this week for deep work. Protect those blocks by marking them as busy and adding a short agenda so you stay on track. During Google Meet, if AI features are enabled, you can get meeting summaries, automatic action items, and highlights of key discussions. This cuts down on manual note-taking. It's still smart to confirm responsibilities at the end of the call and quickly edit the summary for accuracy. Inside Google Drive, use AI-powered search to find what you need fast. Ask for client contracts from January or show files shared by a colleague last week. Consistent file names and folders make these queries even more precise. Finally, use AI for daily planning. Each morning, paste your tasks and ask for a prioritized plan for today. You can also paste your calendar and ask it to optimize your schedule. Include deadlines and time estimates for smarter suggestions, then execute the plan with confidence.